Today I will tell you about viral AI history.
Hello guys, today I will show you this channel. They are historian on the 22 video. They got 333k subscriber and most video go viral is a Japanese soda in World War II. Now we need to take it out. The Chinese grandfather is given to our his own granddaughters. Okay now, today I will tell you how. When you can do the video like this and make the going viral. Okay.
Now secret. First method.
Let's dive in.
So now we're going to download YouTube screen, okay. So we will go to this one, okay. So we just copy the link of this video and we put in here. We download this one. We are not big there. This one, okay, so the sec, and we go to
this auto AI tool. Link down in description.
Signed by Google. So we put the script on here, okay, we put the script here, so we click generator. Okay, so we put neck. So here you can choose your boy. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In the heart of the city, there is a large park. The library is a quiet and peaceful place where people go to read. The train chugged along the tracks. The beach was a popular spot. So you can choose it here, so here is a history with real. The text shall I choose your address for same video, okay. Or you can choose cinematic if you want. You have to choose everything on foot tip. You can change this one as you want, okay. So you will put the motion if you want. And we go sit quick start and AI do everything. For you, you don't need to read anything now, okay. So they are processing. Processing this one just only some minute, okay. I do it first, okay, everything good, I do picture sound. Effect anything. For shall we not see? A grandfather stands at the edge of a bridge, faced with an unimaginable, their innocence shattered. Japanese soldiers, ruthless and merciless, have just committed unspeakable acts against the family. So we see, or jump towards his death. So this caption is not exactly so, which in the star caption and which in this one. This one is a similar with them. Okay, so I think this one is a similar with them. So which and this one? And we see you again, okay. A grandfather stands at the edge of a bridge, faced with an unimaginable choice behind him. His granddaughters are terrified. Their innocence shattered. Japanese soldiers, ruthless and merciless, have just committed unspeakable acts against the family. The air is thick with despair. As the grandfather contemplates his options. Jump into the river. This isn't just a choice, it's a, and you can do it very easy when using to an AI. Thank you very much. And how? I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel.
Now this is second method. And go to the shop and copy the .Gibson. So I go to ChatGPT and I buy free. Free ride. Assault. This queen used to make men. This one is a 4:59 second. In 6 and 15, I shut it. You write a song by the song Lips Gibson about this one. Okay, so I will. The screen and I. Go to the auto AI and I click the red button. Okay, I win which neck. And I choose a boy, the sun rises in the E. Like so. I can choose a real addiction. Frame. Okay, and I press that, and I say I do everything for me. I said wait. Just 1 minute for every year. For I altitude can't believe. Everything for me upset. Sing everything for me in just 1 minute. Okay, and I yet. I just click on and I do everything for me. I do caption and video for me now. Let's see the. This queen used to make men do to the dead before sleeping with the winner. Her name was Zinga, and she was a total power freak. She ruled Angola. Now we see the movie of the I Do For Me. Okay? Imagine a queen so powerful that men would risk their lives for just one night with her. This isn't a fairy tale, it's history. Meet the fierce queen of the Amazons, who had a shocking tradition. Warriors from far and wide would duel each other in brutal combat. Okay, now I need to change the caption like this. And we changed the star caption for saying the result. So now I will go to the ChatGPT to create.
Create a new channel.
Create picture for profile of new channel.
A title I will view this IQ suggestion. To make the title, okay, the description I will use has stuck like this. So I've been looking for not made for kid. And a hashtag I win you wish IQ. Like this. History when history, okay? And exist. And if you're not satisfied with his time, we will be fast back when was Jewish plan. When you are too fat, when you are an SD, how would what you begin with? What you will, what you documentary. Okay. So when do you watch the channel Monetize you can? You can pay and download just $30 with money. To pay money. If you pay nearly only $14 per month, very cheap for you. So it can go that you will divide all and you earning. Yeah. In the earning in the studio channel. I hope you succeed. And if you like my channel, my video, please subscribe my channel and have any comment. Tie down below. Thank you and goodbye.